Hello guys, in this video we will be learning about multi-stage graph, dynamic programming. So in this there are two approach. One is forward approach, another is backward approach. So in this video we will be learning about forward approach. Now in this forward approach, when you hear the term forward approach, so in this approach you need to start to solve this algorithm from behind, that is from node 7 to node 1. When you hear the term backward approach, you need to start it from the node 1 to node 7. Now when we start forward approach to solve this, so we need to divide this graph into stages. So I will divide this as V1, V2, V3 and V4. So this means that this is stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4. In this forward approach, we will be starting from stage 4. Now if you see from 5 to 7, there is a single arrow where only one vertex is connected to other vertex using a single arrow. So here you can find the cost directly, that from the vertex 5 to 7 the cost is 5. But if you see here, they have two arrows which is connected to 5 and 6. So here you need to use the formula to find which is the minimum value. So this is the formula for forward approach. So here your I and j, so cost of I comma j. So I here is your stage and j is the vertex. So here when you see C, j, you can get the value from here. Now what is L? So this is when you find the minimum value. So where do you apply this formula? In this forward approach is from 2, if you see there are two arrows which is going to two different vertex. So I need to find which is the minimum value between these two vertex. So I need to apply this formula. So here C of j is my this value. So I'll be writing here L will be this value 5, because from this to this one. And the cost of I plus 1. So whatever your I value will be, you need to increment that one. And then your L value again you need to take this. Now let us solve this forward approach. We'll start from stage 4. So at stage 4, so we need to find out the cost. So as I told you all in the formula, cost has the I and j. So I refers to the stage and j is the vertex. So I is the stage, stage 4 comma 7 is the vertex. So this is your stage and this is the vertex. So what is the cost is 0. So you need to update in this table that the vertex 7, the cost is 0 to reach 7. Now we'll go to the third stage. So at stage 3, so I'll find out the cost for the stage is 3 and the vertex is 5. So what is the cost? The cost is 5. Now cost of stage 3 vertex 6. What is the cost? The cost is 6. So we need to update the table that from stage 3 vertex 5. So vertex 5 the cost is 5. So vertex 5 the cost is 5 to reach 7. Stage 3 vertex 6. So in this vertex 6 to reach 7, what is the cost? The cost is 6. The cost is 6 to reach 7. So this is at stage 4 at stage 3. Now we'll go to stage 2. So stage 2. So here now in stage 2. So here if you see there are from one vertex two arrows which is going to two different vertex. So I need to find out the minimum values between these two arrows. So cost of stage 2 vertex 2, which is equal to minimum of C. So C is, so the first you will be writing here the j is 2 comma L. So that is from 2 to 5 plus the cost of stage 3 vertex 5. Why 3? Because here in the formula if you see it's I plus 1. So I is 2. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So here 3 comma 5. Now again, because we have another arrow which is going to the other vertex, so C of 2, 6 plus the cost of stage 3 vertex 6. So now we need to find out their values. So C of 2, 5. So 2, 5 the value is 2 plus the cost of 3 to 5. So if you see here 5 is a vertex over here. So in the table you need to go to the vertex 5 and see what is the cost. So the cost is 5 over here. So you need to write that value over here. Comma, now C of 2 to 6. So C is from the graph. So 2 to 6 the cost is 4 plus from 3 to 6. So this is vertex 6. So vertex 6 the cost is 6. Now you need to find out the minimum value from these. So 5, 6, 7, 6, 10. So here if you see minimum is 7. So this is from this particular side. So here how will you update this table? So here you should see that 5 plus 2 is 7. So the cost is 7. This is vertex 2. So the cost is 7. To reach where? To reach 5. Now we'll go to vertex 3. So cost of stage 2 vertex 3 is the minimum C of 3 to 5 plus the cost of stage 3 fifth vertex, comma C of 3 to 6 plus cost of 3, 6. So let us find out their minimum values. So from 3 to 5, from 3 to 5 it's 6 plus 5, because from fifth vertex the cost is 5. Then 3 to 6 is 3, and from sixth vertex the cost is 6. So now you need to find out which is the minimum value. 6 plus 5 it's 11 and 3 plus 6 it's 9. So which is the minimum value from these is 9. So you got the minimum value from the second set. So for the vertex 3 the minimum cost is 9, for which distance 6. Now we'll find the next cost. Stage 2 vertex 4. So this also has 2 arrows, so I'll be finding out the minimum values. C of 4 to 5 plus cost of stage 3 node 5. C of 4 to 6 plus cost of stage 3 node or vertex 6. So in this minimum value 4 to 5 it's 8 plus fifth node, fifth vertex, the cost is 5. 4 to 6 it's 5 plus from the sixth vertex the cost is 6. Now which is the minimum values is, so this is 8 plus 5 13 and 5 plus 6 is 11. So 11 is the minimum value. So fourth vertex the cost is 11. To reach the distances, to reach the vertex is 6. Now we are done with the second stage, so we'll be going to the last stage. So at stage 1, so the cost of stage 1 node or vertex 1. So here we have 3 arrows, so we need to find out the minimum value for all those 3. So C of 1, 2 plus the cost of 2, 2. C of 1, 3 plus cost of 2, 3. C of 1, 4 plus cost of 2, 4. So now we will find their values. So C of 1, 2 is 9 plus vertex 2 the cost is 7. C of 1, 3 it's 7 plus cost of 2 comma 3. So that means from vertex 3. So from vertex 3 the cost is 9. Now comma 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 it's 3 plus the cost of 2 to 4. So from the fourth vertex we have the cost is 11. So here 9 plus 7 is 16. 7 plus 9 16. 3 plus 11 is 14. So the minimum value is 14. So the vertex 1, the cost is 14. To which distance is that? This third one. So third one, if you see, it is to the vertex 4. So here 4. Now we will find the path from first node to seventh node. So from first stage to the first node. So here if you see, from first vertex it is 4. You need to go to fourth vertex. So D of, now fourth vertex is in stage 2. So in second stage, fourth vertex. So if you see here, when you go to the fourth vertex, it is taking you to the sixth node. So now sixth node is in stage 3. So stage 3, sixth node, where it is taking me, it is taking me to the seventh vertex. So this is how you need to go. So from first you will be going to the fourth vertex, and then you will go to 6, and then you will go to 7th. So this is how you need to find the minimum value from 1 to 7. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.